really like that they just come in, they ask, you talk to them before you go in, and they ask you what's wrong, and then they go in and they just, you're in a nice community setting in these comfortable chairs with all these other people, and it's very healing. I didn't think I would be relaxed, but it's super relaxing. And it seems like everybody together is contributing to each other's healing, so it's really nice.
For me as a student, I'm a graduate student, and so the community acupuncture is good for me because I'm able to maintain it on a weekly basis. I can come in.
I have chronic migraines. I've had them since I was like 13, and they've gotten really bad in recent years and just overwhelming. And I've done everything. I've done medication, I've gotten an MRI. I've been coming to the Eagle Rock Community Acupuncture for 6 weeks now, and I've only gotten 2 migraines, and they've both been very light, so that's huge progress for me.
The acupuncture I've done in the past, it's been upwards of $80 to $100 for a single session. So it's cost prohibitive for a lot of people, I think. I can actually feel my nervous system switching over in the chair, where it just, in the form of random twitches and such, where I feel like I'm really able to relax very deeply. My sleep is much better. My skin is a lot easier to maintain, and also my stress level, because I can get the acupuncture regularly, it's fairly well maintained too.
Well, one, I can't believe that it's like pay what you can, which is like huge, because I've been out of work actually for a year and a half, so it's like a nightmare. It's also just, it's very friendly, it's very relaxing. It does feel like an environment of healing, like everybody's there because they have something, and everyone's there to heal, and it's very sort of like, we are going to treat this.
We treat any kind of pain condition, headache, low back, neck, shoulder, joint pain. We also see internal conditions such as insomnia, depression, infertility, and of course we treat stress. The community room allows us to see many people at the same time. Families, friends, and coworkers can come in together. Because the most effective points are located on the arms and legs, people can remain clothed.
I really enjoyed going to IRCA because the people there are so great. I just love the acupuncturists. They care about people, they care about me, they care about everybody, and they really know what they're doing. So I've been going regularly for chronic sinus infections that I get, and I haven't had a sinus infection for the last several months. They've also worked on I didn't even know what it was, but I had a pain in my leg, and they said it was sciatica, which is your lower back, but it reflects in your leg, and they have removed the pain from that. I told my doctor about it, and he said that sciatica was one of the hardest things to treat, and it often didn't respond to medication. And he was just really, really thrilled that it was responding to acupuncture.
I've been real lucky. My wife discovered Eagle Rock Community Acupuncture, and I started going there on her recommendation, and it's been incredible for me. A couple years ago I had a cerebral hemorrhage, and I had to relearn how to walk, and believe it or not, had to learn how to talk again. So the recovery's been tough and hard. I just can't tell you what the acupuncture has done for me. It's helped me with my ability to think, my rest. It's helped lower my blood pressure. It's helped me with fighting my diabetes. Of course, there's a lot of things I have to do myself, but having Eagle Rock Community Acupuncture helping me with something that really does work. The acupuncture really does work. I think I got a fighting chance.
They come in, when you go in with the therapist, you do go into a large room with a lot of recliners. I believe they have about 9 or 10 recliners in one room, but the environment is very very quiet. It's very peaceful, and then you sit in your recliner and you get the private attention from the therapist, and they ask you about your symptoms, how things are going, and then they needle you, and you're off and running.
First of all, it doesn't hurt. Acupuncture needles do not hurt at all. You know, if you get squeamish about needles, just don't look.
For some people who haven't done acupuncture before, the needles don't hurt. They're super, super thin. You don't feel them. They're always checking on you to make sure that you don't feel them, because that's not the point of it.
We know that high cost prohibits most people from using acupuncture as their go-to medicine. We want acupuncture to be used as their first choice in non-emergency health care. Healthcare is not a luxury item. We are set up to accommodate your needs, where everyone is given the same great quality of care.
I think if you're in enough pain, you're willing to do whatever it takes to get relief. Like, I was willing to drive anywhere, do anything. You know, migraines just wipe you out. It's the fatigue, the pain, the recovery afterwards. It knocks me out for like 4 days. So, yeah, it's really bad. Like bedridden for 4 days. So this is a relief. This is huge.
Acupuncture is simple, everyday medicine that we want everyone to know about.
I would recommend them highly. I would say, just do it. Go there, you'll feel better. And the best part is that it's affordable. They let you pay on a sliding scale. And there's no reason why you shouldn't get healthy, shouldn't get well. Use them. Go to Eagle Rock Community Acupuncture. It's worked for me. I think it can work for you.